Hey guys, my name is Jimmy, aka Queen of War. Welcome back. Since we now have run through all 3 duos that will be in DLC 8, we will be going through the alert called Prison of Trigon. So once you enter the prison itself or wherever they're at right now, you'll just make your way through some mobs here. For our group makeup, we just decided to take 2 DPSs, 1 controller and 1 healer. And it seemed to work out fine, which is unfortunate for the tanks because, you know, the tanks don't really have a job.
Trigon's power is returning. Someone is tampering with the spell that is holding him there. You must keep going. Find Trigon's chamber. I will meet you there.
Now right off the bat, if you want to compare or have a comparison, in my opinion, the comparison between the alerts of the DLC 7, which is Family Reunion and Brothers in Arms, and this one, this alert is definitely a lot easier, and you still get marks of reality which you're rewarded, which is the same marks that you could purchase the tier 5 gear. I think, in my opinion, they probably did this because besides having those Family Reunion and Brothers in Arms alerts, as well as the solo missions or solo like content where you go do the hunt and the test subject, they wanted to create more content where you could be rewarded or get marks of reality, since not everyone was completing the raids. That's probably why they made this content a little bit easier compared to the DLC 7 alerts. And here we are assisting Beast Boy clear out some of the ads, and once you do that, you could simply talk to him and he will be on his way.
These demons came here straight from Trigon's dimension. I'm gonna tell Wonder Woman, keep going and stay safe!
In the next room ahead, you will actually meet your mini-boss, and you will be going against the Shades of the Falcone family.
Soon I will be free, and you will obey Trigon the Terrible.
And there they are. They do hit kind of hard, so you might want to watch out. They don't, as far as what I'm seeing, they have a skull attack of their own, each of them, but you could tell that from obviously above their heads they will have a V shape with a skull on it. You want to avoid that, maybe hide behind a pillar or something. But yeah, don't be like me or my group where we just kind of died. Keep in mind that I was actually streaming live while capturing this clip. So I was talking to people at the same time, so there might have been some distractions on my end, but yeah. So Mr. Vincento is a one-handed, Antonia is a dual pistol, and Fipino, is that his name? I don't know, the other one, he died, so I can't really see. But yeah, they have a pretty big life bar as well. Once you defeat the Falcone family, you'll be rewarded with 1 mark of reality and some loot drops. And here we have some legs. Unfortunately, the style is repeated, so there's no new styles within. However, for the DLC 8, there is a style set that you get feet for as well, but that's found in the Wasteland. So just moving forward, the next person you meet is Cyborg.
Trigon's power must be growing. We don't have a lot of time left.
There you go, and you just need to help him clear out some of these ads, and then he'll be on his way and it'll trigger the next cutscene for you.
Trigon demands obedience. For Trigon.
Trigon must be awakening. These demons are from his realm. You can't stop Cersei.
You got to stop Trigon. I'll hold these guys off for as long as I can. No time to argue. Go!
I like how they did this part. It's not really that important to, you know, what's going on, but just aesthetically and, you know, I just thought it was interesting. They actually blocked it off with boulders, but instead of breaking them or something, you actually need to pick them up and throw them somewhere else so that you could work your way
Your persistence
through.
does nothing but prolong your demise. I call upon you, my children. Which of you will heed me and be my vessel? Prove your worth once and for all.
Father, I will be your vessel. These fools will pay.
Damn, Jared. Chillax.
Jack is so funny, and Jared is so serious. He really wants to, you know, be the favorite. So yeah, in this room you will be going against Jack and Jared. I'm not sure if the suns change in this room. Might be possible, but I'm not really quite sure on that, so don't stick me with the pin on that. And here we see Jared was about to use his skull attack.
Boring.
Like a gnat.
So much anger.
You only delay the inevitable.
Why do you bother?
And there's another skull attack from Jared where he shoots a laser beam out of his eye. More than one. You know, since he has 4. And Jared's doing another skull attack.
You only delay the inevitable.
And Jared with his laser skull attack again.
Like a gnat. You can't hurt the son of Trigon. Pathetic.
And upon defeating Jack and Jared, you're rewarded 1 mark of reality and as well as some loot jobs as well. Here we see a trinket for a healer, item level 85. Now, I really like this room. It's super cool to see. If you take a look towards your right, you actually see the last boss room right there, and just the overall theme of the area just looks really cool. The lava looks really cool, like kind of goes down in that molten look.
Obedience. When I am restored, your suffering will be endless. Avatar of Sin, rise and destroy them!
Now we have Avatar of Sin, who came to join the fight for his master Trigon. If you're not familiar with Avatar of Sin, you haven't been doing your bounties when you were a lobby, because he is one of the bounties, and he hangs around Metropolis Hospital, or Metro Hospital, the hospital that's right next to the Superman Park. And he just roams around there. Obviously, for this alert, he has gotten a little bit stronger and gained some levels himself, but nothing too difficult to take down with 4 people. One thing I was always curious about Avatar of Sin is that he doesn't look like he has a mouth, but he could roar and yell and talk. Maybe I'm just missing his mouth somewhere, but I don't think I saw one.
Trigon, I have failed.
There we go, and Avatar of Sin is down. Conquering this opponent will reward you with 1 mark of reality and as well as some loot. We have a face mask here, item level 84. And we are standing right in front of Trigon's chamber itself.
Septus, abstractus, solutus.
Circe, stop right there!
You are too late, princess. I've already begun charging the Victory Stone. Soon no one will be able to defeat me.
You're not invincible yet!
You stupid cow! If Trigon doesn't destroy you, I will!
I awaken. I will bathe your world in blood and devour the souls of this universe!
Alrighty. So we actually lost 1 person, so we're just doing this with 3 people right now. There is a bug with this alert with Trigon and Circe actually being missing from the fight later on. So a way to avoid this right now is that when Circe is in Trigon's hands and the consoles come up, do not get the consoles while Circe is within Trigon's hands until, of course, the bug is fixed. That way Circe won't bug out and she will return to the fight so that you can continue and complete this alert. And in the meantime, while Circe is within Trigon's hands, you could focus on the demons or ads that are nearby. This fight or boss fight in the last room area is very, very small. So you might want to take care of those ads before they start adding up.
That was a mistake.
And there's Circe. She returned back and did not disappear, so that's great.
Hold still.
So during this entire time, Trigon is throwing rocks at you that do like 2.5k damage to me. If you just saw right there, he throws down his fists and he does kind of like a hand chop.
I've already charged the Victory Stone enough to start a war. Have fun dealing with Trigon!
So you could just try to look and see if you could avoid that. It's hard to look up, especially since the field is so small, but try to avoid as much as you can.
That should keep him secure for now. Your bravery continues to impress. You've fought a great battle and prevented the suffering of millions of innocent people in our own realm. Don't worry too much about Circe. She won't keep her
Yay!
plans
That was the
secret for long.
end of this alert. I told you it was very short, and I'm pretty sure you could probably tell for yourself that it is definitely a lot easier. We were able to just complete it with 3 people. At the end boss, you will be rewarded with 2 marks of reality and some loot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye!